So what about I told you the strategy I'm about to reveal to you has generated over hundreds of millions of dollars to the banks, to the high financial institutions, to the government, and even to the pro traders. So if you really want to know about this strategy, all you're going to do right now, right? Sit tight and watch the video to the very end, because I'm going to be breaking everything down for you step by step. So are you ready? Pay very close attention. So my name is James Gidex. I teach you how to make some cool lot of money in the Forex market. And the strategy that I will be showing you right here in this video is called Fibonacci Retracement strategy. For that being said, let's dive right into it. And if you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button. Basically, smash the like button so that a lot of people that are struggling finding a strategy and start making some cool lot of money can possibly get to see the video. It's really going to be a very simple breakdown, and you possibly need it at this time. First and first, we need to know what is Fibonacci Retracement strategy. It's an idea that market will retrace a predictable portion of a move, right after which they will continue in the original direction. Step number one, let's go ahead and set up our Fibonacci retracement. As you can see over here, here is my Fibonacci, right? As you can see it over there, Fib retracement. And if you come over to this angle right here, you also see Fib retracement. Why we are seeing it at the front right is because I star it. So in case if you didn't see Fibonacci retracement right here, all you're going to do is to click on this angle right here, and they will open up a lot of Fibonacci stops, right? So all you're going to do, this is the one we'll be using. So as you can see, I star it, and that's why it appears right here. I'm understood. So go ahead and click it, and let's set it up first. This is my setup already, but let's start afresh, right? So you can possibly know how to set up the Fibonacci retracement yourself, right? And start making some cool lot of cash using the Fibonacci retracement. So I'm gonna apply a default, and I'm gonna click OK. So as I click OK, as you can see, if you open the Fibonacci retracement tool for the first time, this is how it's gonna appear, right? But we don't need these key levels right here. We don't need the 1, 2, 3, 4 key levels, right? So all we're gonna do right here, we need to take them off, right? So click on the Fibonacci tool, click on settings, and scroll down as you can see. Okay, let me drag it to this place right here. So let's go on in setting up the Fibonacci retracement. So first thing first, you take off this 1, 2, 3, 4 key levels, take them out, right? As you can see, here are the key levels, right? Here are the key levels that we need to take out. So go ahead, click on them, 1, 2, 3, like that. So we have taken out the key levels that we don't need, right? Those key levels don't really matter to us. I'm understood. So I've taken out a level that should not be taken out, so I'll go ahead and click on it again so we can put the level back. So we don't need to take out this level, right? As you can see, it has appeared. We need to remove these background colors, right? If you want to use these background colors on yours, that is cool, right? But for me, I don't like using the background color because I want to see my chart very clean and very plain. So as you can see, go ahead, click on background. As you can see, the background colors are gone. Edit levels here are supposed to be on percentage, right, and not in values, so that everything will be clear for us. So let's go ahead and do away with the price. Come over to levels, yeah, click on values, okay, and click on percentage. As you can see right here, it has turned to percentage, right? But we don't want to see our percentage at the left hand side, right? So let's take our percentage to the right hand side so that we can see what is basically going on in the market very clear. I'm understood. As you can see, it has moved to the right hand side. So all you're going to do right there is to just click OK, and that's all. Our Fibonacci is set. So step number 2, before using a Fibonacci retracement, you need to identify your trend. So you don't use Fibonacci retracement in any market. You only use Fibonacci retracement in an uptrend or a downtrend. Have that at the back of your mind. So let's look for our uptrend and downtrend. As you can see, this is an uptrend, right? From this level to this level is an uptrend. Those are the things that you need to identify, and you can also call this one a downtrend. I'm understood. From this level to this level is a downtrend. In the next step, right, step number 3 is to know how to draw your Fibonacci retracement, right? Know how to draw your Fibonacci retracement, because if you don't know how to draw your Fibonacci retracement, there's no how you're gonna draw it right and be making some cool lot of money in the Forex market. So in the definition for a Fibonacci retracement, when it gets to that key level, it's supposed to continue in that same direction. More understood. We are not trading breakout, so it's supposed to continue in that same direction. That is why we are using Fibonacci retracement. If you want to identify the key levels, all you're going to do is to click on your Fibonacci. If it is an uptrend like this, you start drawing it from the bottom, right, to the upside. I'm understood. Bottom to the upside. I'm understood. So you draw it from the bottom to the upside. Very, very important. As you can see, it hits the key level, right? It hit this key level 50.00. It hit that key level and push back up, right? It hit it and push back up, right? That is how to use Fibonacci retracement. And let's get more example on how to use Fibonacci retracement so you can start using it properly. This is an uptrend and you might not know when price will retest any area right here. I'm understood. Don't just keep trading and be trading like that. So all you're going to do right now is to pick up your Fibonacci 2 to be sure this is our swing low and this is our swing high. All you're going to do is to bring it right here. Understood. As you can see, it gets to retrace in the 23.60% level, right? It retraces that particular zone exactly and continue in that same direction. I'm understood. Same thing happened over here, right? Same thing happened when it continue. It keep retracing that particular level. It gets over here the 38.20% level and continue in that same direction. I'm understood. So from this position to this position, it ends here and it forms another trend from this level, right? It forms another trend from this level to this particular level right here. And how are we going to know our key level at this particular spot? All you're going to do right now is to pick up your Fibonacci 2 and swing low, right, and your swing high. And when using Fibonacci retracement tool, you are supposed to use Fibonacci retracement tool with your support and resistance to get the clarity of where price is basically going to. It break that 23.60% level, right, and get to my resistance zone and bounce on the resistance zone and keep going up. The price might get to this level right here. It might get to this level right here. If it breaks it, fine, it will keep going up. But if it did not break it, it will possibly get back and retest this zone or get back to retest this golden zone. And whatsoever happened at this particular area, it's fine, right? So it will possibly get here to possibly bounce back up. I'm understood. That's just as simple as that. So if you find value in the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button. Let's take more examples on how to use Fibonacci retracement. You are not supposed to use Fibonacci retracement in a ranging market. If you see market ranging over like this, down, up, down, up, down, you will never get a clear entering point. So all you're going to do is just to focus on using your Fibonacci in an uptrend or a downtrend to get the key levels. This is another example on how to use Fibonacci retracement strategy. I'm understood. So here is our swing low, right? Here is our swing low. As you can see, here is our swing low. For instance, here's our swing low, right? Here's our swing low, and let's say here's our swing high, because it's an uptrend, right? Mark this particular zone and this particular zone using our Fibonacci. If we don't know when price will eventually retest, it retests that particular level right there and continue in the same direction, especially the golden level. So now let's take another example so that you will get it clear, right? So all you're doing right here is to look out for the swing low and swing high. For instance, when you met the market around this side, all you're going to do is to pick up your Fibonacci. Don't mark it from the wick, mark it from the body or from the neck. As you can see, it gets to that particular place and retest that particular zone, and that is why it's called the golden zone, right? Get to that particular zone, retest and continue that same direction. And if you are to stretch this to this place, you also see that it also retests that particular key levels, right? These are your major key levels that you should always focus on. Immediately it breaks those key levels, maybe the trend has broken. Make sure you always have 23.60 in mind and always have your golden key level in mind, which is your 38.20, also 50.00% level in mind. Even if you don't have any other strategy, at least use Fibonacci retracement. Use it with support and resistance, and you will make clear, informed trading decision. I'm understood. So if you find value in the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you want to join my masterclass, the link is right at the description. Send me an email and I'll respond to each and every one of you. So see you guys in the next video. So go and make some cool lot of money.